Today, I will show you how you can register as an affiliate on the Tuition Near Me EduTech platform. It's very easy to do so, and I hope that this webinar will be useful to you. So, all you need is to visit our Tuition Near Me website and you can see many items on our platform. All you have to do is to focus on the top header menu and look for the tab, Registration. Click on the tab, Registration. On the registration page, you can choose to register as an instructor, as a student, or as an affiliate. In this tutorial, choose the tab, Affiliate. Complete the form accordingly. Choose a username for your account. Then provide us with your first name and last name. After that, provide us with your email. Once you are ready, choose a good password and confirm it. After that, choose a payment email. Provide us with details of your website too. It can also be your Facebook page, X page, or other social media platforms. After that, tell us briefly how you intend to promote. Short, concise, and straight to the point. Once you are ready, click on the Register button. After that, all you have to do is to wait for our email reply. Thanks for attending today's webinar and I hope this is useful to you.